Hey everyone. We're checking out this refrigerator today. It's got two separate compressors, but right side isn't working. Time to figure out. Okay, so let's check out this connector. It's got power. But, wait, it seems like one single connector is powering both of these compressors. That doesn't look right. Let's investigate what's going on. Let's open up this side panel now and see where that wire actually goes. There's the wire. Before we touch it, we must disconnect the main power. The wire runs to the socket here. We need to disconnect this socket and then check for continuity back to the main power socket. I've checked the continuity. The live wire shows continuity, but the neutral wire shows no continuity. This means we have a break somewhere. We need to inspect this further. I'm going to disconnect this connection here and check the continuity from this point. The results are the same. The neutral wire still shows no continuity. It looks like we've successfully isolated the problem. The break is somewhere in the wiring before this point. With the old wire confirmed bad, here is the new 3-core cable. Let's put it in. I think the old wire was disconnected right here. The wire is replaced. Let's connect the socket and then power it up to see if we've fixed the issue. Yes, it's now functioning. Let's quickly verify the other side. Confirmed, the left side is also working perfectly. Let's check the controller now. We need to monitor the time delay and verify the set temperature. The set temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. We await now until the compressor powers up automatically. The compressor has now successfully started, and the discharge line